this is a byproduct of the aging process. But a smooth aging process occurred, which was more important than the drawings.
At the age of 90, Kanti Sen Shroff, or Kaka as he is affectionately called, realized that he was not very useful anymore. His greatest fear was that he was becoming a burden. When his beloved wife Chanda told him to take up some creative activity, he reawakened his passion for art. A passion that he had given up in his youth to help his brothers fulfill their vision of building a chemical industry in soon-to-be independent India. 70 years later, Kaka once again became a serious student of art, diligently learning each new medium and later combining mediums. The journey began with trees, then came birds and animals. The hand grew steady, the heart grew confident, the art became mature as the self-taught artist continued to learn and master still life, seascapes, landscapes, and then the human face. All this work and discipline increased physical strength. My age was advancing, but it was not getting in my way, says Kaka. Mind and body were progressing together, and I learnt that it is not necessary that our dependency should increase. Instead, we can increase our contributive capacity along with our creativity. We can stay effective in our old age, provided we want to stay effective. Then came a profound loss. The art bears witness to the angst and dissonance of life without a soulmate. And after that, a stroke. But 2 weeks later, Kaka was back. The journey was not over, and the journey was not about art. As Kaka himself says, the most satisfactory part is that I could make this 5-year journey. I could move beyond the limitations of the body and stay committed to the journey. So what is this journey about? In Kaka's words, we can awaken our body, mind and soul with something that we are passionate about. And if we are not passionate about anything, then let's become passionate.